Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to find username in Facebook. So let's get started. First, open Facebook. I have opened Facebook. This is my feed, news feed. Now go to top right corner and click on your image, your profile image. Click on it and search for settings and privacy. This gearbox. Click on settings and privacy. Now search for settings. Click on settings. Now you must find on the left side personal details. Click on personal details, and here this is your account center. Search for profiles. Click on profiles, and here you have your profile. And click on profile, this Facebook Jure Delavec. Click on it. And here you have your name, username, profile picture and avatar. Click on username and here you have it, your username. I hope this was helpful for you, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and see you next time. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.